Namaste children. Today we are going to look at a beautiful picture. Let's see what's happening here and what we can learn from this picture. Children, now look at this picture carefully. What do you see here? Yes, many children are playing in the park. Can you count how many children are there in this picture? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, 28 children are playing in this park. Now, let's see what games they are playing. So, some children are playing with a ball. 2 girls are skipping with a rope, and one more girl is skipping here with another rope. Here a small group of children are playing with blocks. It's called 7 stones game. Then here some children are floating paper boats. They are floating paper boats in the water. And one girl is in the swing. One boy is playing with a slingshot. He is playing with a slingshot or catapult. He is shooting small stones with the slingshot. Some are playing hopscotch here, and some children are running and playing here. But wait, not all children are playing here. Some children are sitting and talking. One boy is drinking water. Another few here are standing and watching the others play. So children, tell me, what's your favorite game? Do you like skipping, running, or playing with a ball? Now let's answer the questions from this chapter. How many children are there in the picture? There are 28 children in the picture. What games are they playing? They are playing different games, like they are floating paper boats, playing on their swings, playing with slingshot, playing hopscotch, playing 7 stone game. They are playing hide and seek, and some of them are doing skipping. Which is your favorite game? You answer it. Some children in the picture are not playing games. What are they doing? Some children are standing and watching others play. Some are sitting and talking, and one boy is drinking water. So all the questions and answers are given here. You can read it once again. So children, when we talk about something happening now, we use is or are plus ing form of the verb. For example, here a girl is swinging. If we split the word, we get swing plus ing. Like that, 2 girls are skipping. Skip plus ing. Children are floating paper boats. Floating. Float plus ing. Some children are playing hopscotch. Play plus ing. Watching. Watch plus ing. Some children are talking. Talk plus ing. One child is drinking water. Drink plus ing. So all these are the ing form of the verb or action words. So all these sentences are in the present continuous tense. So today we learned about present continuous tense also. So children, today we learned about the present continuous tense. We use am, is and are with action words ending in ing to talk about what is happening right now. For example, I am talking, he is jumping, they are playing. All these are example for present continuous tense. Remember, this tense help us talk about actions that are going on at the moment. Keep looking around and seeing what people are doing. Keep practicing what we learned today. See you soon with another video. Till then, keep shining, keep smiling and take care.